Meaning of defined contribution.
Defined contribution.
Defined contribution.
Defined contribution.
Defined contribution. Defined contribution is a type of retirement plan where the employee and/or employer contribute a fixed amount or percentage of the employee's salary into an individual account. The final retirement benefit amount is based on the contributions made plus any investment gains or losses incurred over the years, rather than a predetermined pension benefit formula. This places investment risk on the employee rather than the employer. With a defined contribution plan, employees have more flexibility in managing their retirement funds and can typically take their funds with them if they leave the company.